By 6 o'clock, all should come here. Now, even teachers are going to come here. By 6, we are going to have cooking. Girls and boys, 2 groups will be made with staff and teachers. We are going to cook one menu that side, one menu other side. That is almost all teachers, and you all will be helping us in cooking, cutting and all. All is that your team. Now this side, Veena will take care of this team. This side, Jojo, you take care of boys. Okay? Veena, you see that you bring 2 dishes with 2 lids with 2 spoons. One for curry, one for rice. Okay? And maybe a knife. Cutting board, knife. Okay? Water, we'll see that we'll provide you. So 2 dishes from your side. Lids, you can see how you can plan it. Bigger side, don't bring so small.
2 dishes means you should be able to cook 15 people's food.
20 people.
20 people.
20 people means it should be quite big enough. Curry and rice should be enough. Okay? So if you like, you can bring 2 dishes and we will give you the supply. Okay, with the help of teachers. We will give you the supply and then we will cook evening, and then once the food is ready, then we will have staff and all will come together and short prayer and all, and we'll have campfire and we can eat that time. Okay? Evening when you come also, please see that you carry your own plates also, it will be better. Yeah, or we'll give the thermo.
Own plates.
They have to wash their own this thing.
We can wash and keep our water. Yeah, water we can make. So when you come here, Jesse, come here, come.
Jesse, come here.
Run and come.
Okay. So
Come this side.
Come this side,
Hey, here, come this side.
To the bottle. Run there.
Come this side. Come stand here.
उनके लिए ना
go back, bitches, go back.
उनके लिए
Take their photos. Yeah, we'll give them one. Yeah, we can give them stuff.
क्या कर रहा है देख चौन सर का फोन है ऐसी कीच मत
Okay. So, this is. Did you understand what I said? Can you explain?
कौन है
Okay, what all do you have to bring?
Spoons.
Okay, your own plates and glasses. You have to bring 2 dishes, one for curry and one for rice for cooking.
Everybody has to.
One team.
No,
Boys,
team
one
wise.
team.
This is team wise. Okay, these are the team wise things.
can't think of
Spoons
it
for
huh?
mixing, knife, cutting board. All right, and maybe one extra dish for washing vegetables.
water is there
Washing the rice. Something.
है ना
We'll give you all the
ये this also is there ना पानी अरे किधर गया
There will be teachers to guide you all.
long
Okay. Abhi you know how to cook.
800
Rice,
watt
rice everyone knows. Curry.
oh 800
Mine is 225.
बस
You know how to make this. So the idea is to get a good cooking experience as one group.
Yes.
As a team.
टेंशन
I learned cooking from Pathfinders only. So much we used to cook and eat always. We'd learn so many things and we
300
made, and that's how I cooked and I started.
How much you are?
I'm best cook in my house. Only in my house.
150.
अरे वेरे ची I was going front
10 seconds I can
anything
Okay. So
10 seconds
now before you go, when you make camp, your surrounding should be always clean and neat. So wherever you see thread, this jhadus, all should be kept properly in one place. Maybe near this tree you can keep it. Okay.
All the extra ropes,
Extra
threads.
rope, whatever is, keep it near this tree so then you can pick it up and then keep it safe. Okay. Then you have to make chula.
I know
Now only 2 houses chula you have to make. Maybe double the bricks,
टेंट के अंदर क्रिकेट खेलेंगे जेम्स
So
अरे जेम्स
front
उधर
of
से आप
the
ब्रिक्स लेके आ जाएंगे जल्दी नहीं तो ये अच्छे वाले लेंगे
bring
किधर है
six bricks.
मेरे ब्रिक्स
Modulation.
नाइट उधर मैंने बनाया चूल्हा हाँ ओके
Means one for girls.
Team wise, one team.
Team wise. Okay, boys, 6 chulhas, 6 bricks.
6
You have to bring 6 bricks.
They will bring the bricks, they will bring the goods. Boys.
No, they have to bring their woods. They have to bring their woods.
ओ मैं टीम वाइज
From there. See, right now if you go, you arrange the chulha,
बस
bring small sticks from there, break it, and bring and keep it by evening. You just come ready.
अरे
everything is there
ब्रिक्स नाइस हाँ इसके घर के सामने ब्रिक्स है
Wherever you
And
go, pick
और वो जो
bricks or
लंबा दिख रहा है क्या
sticks or anything, you have to be careful.
6 ब्रिक्स ये देख अच्छा दिख रहा है ये वाला हाँ
Scorpion,
उससे ना
okay?
उनने भी वो रखा है वो लेके आ जा स्टार्टिंग के लिए
Legs you have to,
हाँ
or take a
और
stick
इधर रख दे
and shake the place a little bit. Okay? Okay, to see if there's something you could run off there.
We do not know under
Don't
this
directly put your
scorpion.
hand somewhere to take some sticks or anything like that. Okay? So you have to be very careful. You have to be presence of mind has to be there when you're searching, looking for those things. Okay.
Okay.
So now to the bricks, only 3 people need to go. To
Yeah.
the bricks, 1
Two can go for sticks. Two can go for 3 can go for bricks. 2 can go for sticks. Being break nice drive on. But there also, when you go, one of you boys you go, you hit the sticks, make noise there so that whatever is there, frogs and donkey will run away from there.
दिस इज आवर टेंट
Not so much. Don't bring 6 bricks. Bring 7 bricks. Okay. So boys, 7 bricks. 7 bricks. 2 can go for sticks. I said 7 bricks, I have 3 bricks extra for campfire to put the plate on top on the and down one be anyone. Okay?
बाय
Then you can go. Gara bazu mein roko. Take out all that papers, pick up shoes. Okay, jhadu, everything should be clean. Okay, now first you do cleaning surrounding. Then 3 can go bring bricks, 2 can go for sticks. Let's make it fast. Then you can go. This evening we are going to have good fun. You can join. Okay. Now, clean around, do surrounding cleaning. Jhadu give you something.